Pampers. Manufacturing now. Cutlery machine. Just like this.